Hey everybody, it's Solar Geek coming at you with the first video about audio. This is the Savard HI-Q 12. Of course I was thinking I would make a video of something else sometime, but because I'm the Solar Geek. But I researched and found 0 videos about the Savard HI-Q 12. A bunch of the little 8s that look beastie old, shout out to Big D Wiz and others, but this, as far as I know, will be the first unboxing / demo of the Savard HI-Q 12. Alright, so here we are with the 93 Crown Vic, what I like to call, lovingly of course, neighbor's neighbor. 93 Crown Vic with the, the police interceptor swap, and a little bit worse for wear, but this is a budget build of audio and a budget build automobile, so it goes together. Although the Savars are a step up for me, we'll see how long they last, but we're stepping up from the good old Kicker Comp R dual 2 ohm. Took a little damage here in the trunk. Won't let the old lady drive it anymore, of course. So let's see how this baby looks in here. Now I know you guys are all up in safety, but this is just a little pocket knife. We're all right here. Well, we got a box in a box. That's always a good sign. Now look at here. We have personally autographed by WS, hiQ series, cosmetic, moving parts, adhesive, power test, and TS parameters. A little note from William Savard Jr. himself, basically thanking us for supporting Savard, the culture of car audio, especially for the audiophile. Let's see what's inside. Looks like we have their lineup, soon to come high output series. This is the hiQ series that we're unboxing today. And the actual measurements of this speaker. Now let's take a look inside. Not the heaviest subwoofer I've ever handled, but it's beefy. Oh, look at there. Let's take a little quick comparison here before we unwrap it out of his birthday suit there. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that beauty. She's heavy. Let's look at the little, as our friend EXO would say, look at the little booty on that booty. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Nice vintage voice coil, long coil. Really nicely made and stitched tinsel leads. Large conic spider 10-inch heavy duty paper cone with a large but relatively nice foam surround. So there you have it. First unboxing video of hiQ 12. Next we'll look at a little demo. Thank you. Hey everybody, so we went ahead and skipped a little bit for time savings and wired the voice coils in parallel. The Savard HI-Q Dual 4 V2 is dual 4 ohm, and we have a 1500 watts RMS capability. We're going to be feeding it from 750 to maybe 1000 from an American-based VLF 120. And whether those numbers hold true or not, because I have kind of a weak 300 amp alternator and a small starting battery in the back, so I do have some voltage drop. See the lights dim and see the voltage on the head unit drop when the bass hits around 40 hertz very hard. So now we're going to take you to the back and show you the neighbor's old bass box in the trunk. It's just an old box we worked up out of some 3/4 inch MDF a while back just to test some other speakers. We lovingly call it the submarine because of the snorkel ports. So, like I said, parallel. So we should have a total of 1 ohm load on the amplifier. I'm going to do this old school and put them together. Nice fat terminals, probably 8 gauge, and I didn't get that good. We'll try real hard just to feed them together here. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Just about done here, guys and gals. I know it gets boring in the silence. We'll be all right. All right. Looks like we. So there we have it. 2 Savard HI-Q 12s and the old sub box, the submarine box. Call it the. Got the American bass. Got the old school sound quality Alpine dual B circuit. I believe that's the 3552. Little bitty spare battery, like I said, we drop volts when we hit hard. Heavy gauge cable all the way back, 0 gauge from the alternator to the front battery to the frame and all the way back here. So we shouldn't have that much voltage drop, so I suspect that the small batteries and the no-name 300 amp alternator are suspect. So let me turn this baby on, we'll catch some flex. Alright, now that I got it set up, now we're aware that the old cell phone mic is not going to give you guys any idea what that sounds like, so we're simply going to show you a little bit of subwoofer flex at this moment. We did an off-camera bass test as well, so that we didn't step on anybody's toes and get fined or get kicked off YouTube. You know the thing, we're using other people's music because I don't make music, I gotta listen to music. We have to say that the Savard HI-Q is definitely, with all things equal, thump a lot harder than the kicker comp R's. I'm not knocking the kicker comps. In fact, I had got away from kickers and Rockfords as far back as 15 years ago when they went to China. But since then they've come back, even though they're still made in China, they had to uphold their name, I suppose. So we really like the Savard HI-Qs. They're rocking, they were thumping, it was flexing, the mirror was trying to fall off again, glue that thing on, you know, and it falls off when you hit hard. But these suckers had neighbor just bouncing in place right there. So I'd have to give them a big thumbs up. So from Solar Geek out to YouTube Universe, Savard HI-Q.